My people, if function for Excel not be witchcraft, the thing dey very easy. Make we run this table sharp sharp. This one na concerning student score. If you get score pass 49, that means if you get 50 and above, you pass. Your remark go show pass. But if you get less than 50, that means 49 downward, that means your remark go show fail. So how e be? Make I just paste the formula here. I don write am already. So D5 blah blah blah, I go press my enter key. The first student na pass because e score na 65, e pass 49. If I drag am down, you go see say some go get pass, some go get fail. Like this one, Shika na fail because e score na 43, e dey less than 50. The same thing, Emeka na fail because e score na 32, e dey less than 50. So how the thing take dey work? E dey very easy. Make we see the syntax here. The syntax be say if you dey use this if function, the first place you go type or the first thing you go put na condition. The condition na be if the score pass 49 or if na equal to 50 or greater than 50. Then the second thing wey go come up after your comma na wetin go happen if na true. Then comma wetin go happen if na lie. So we see the formula wey we say we type just now, e dey below here, equal to if. So if D5, that means if wetin dey cell D5, e dey greater than or equal to 50, then you put comma. As you dey see am here, this na the comma to take separate am for the next one. So wetin go happen, make e show this text pass. If not, make e show this text fail. You see am? Simple as that. So make we come back to the Excel now. See wetin we type now. We say D5. Where be D5? D5 na the first student score where we get 65. That is bio. So if pass, that's if e dey greater than or equal to 50, pass. Else, if e no dey greater than, say na lie, e go show wetin fail. So anything you put na e go appear. For example, if you no wan put pass, maybe you want make e be P, you just wan abbreviate am. Wetin you go just do, this place of pass, you go comot am, make e remain just P. Then here you go put just F. So make we run am again. Enter. If you come here now, you drag come down, e go give you the same thing, but e go give you later. So anything wey you put for there, now e go show you. So this one na P for pass, F for fail. Make we look another example to get deeper understanding. This time I wan consider company wey wan employ people and they set test for them. And they say who score pass 70 e qualify to the next level, but who score less than or 70 itself e no qualify. So how we go do that one? Come the box wey be say we go type put, then put our formula there. So if you see the first one, when I press enter, I get congrats. So if I drag that one down, you go see say some persons not go get congrats, some na try next time. Oh, check am. 78 congrats, 78 pass 70, right? 62 e no reach 70, next time. Then 70 same thing, try next time. Make we check the formula. Make I select the first one where be congrats. So if we check am, you see say D7, e say if D7 greater than 70, that na our condition. So wetin go return, wetin go appear? Congrats. If na lie, wetin go appear? Try next time. So hope say this part dey simple or you understand the if function now. So but this sweet me say una understand this part very well, so I really like am. But the next question be say, what about a situation where we say we need more than one condition? Because for here now we just dey use one condition, like if D7 dey greater than 70. Now we wan use multiple condition. Wetin we mean? See this example, like our school grading system that time, wey dey say if you score between 0 to 49, they'll give you F. 50 to 59, they give you C, B, and A. That range like that. So you see, say the condition they more than one. So how we fit take do am? Brother, the thing they very easy. And this part, now the part wey be say you fit use for companies or your office very well. And company no dey take and play. So for the next video, I will show you how to do this part very well. I will break am down, and the video will be very short as well. But what I want make you do, make you subscribe, abeg, so that when the next video come you go see am. And make you like my video because the thing go encourage me to produce more.